now reach Chelsea. E no easy to buy for Nigeria again. Before one sachet of Chelsea na 250 naira. Now 100 naira. And you dey take Kana 1 gram now na 8k. Oya 8k times 7. You know guide me here 56b. Oya 2G per day. Some way e be normal 16k times 7 112. Oya wait, 2G one wood na 3k. Some people dey sell am 35, but mo just leave am 3k. 3k times 7 21b. 21b plus 112 133k per week. Omo, glass I no go high again. I no wan high again. Say wait, you know the reason am abi? Oya now.